Training is a vital component in responsible dog ownership. Dogs don't naturally understand how to live in this world we've created, so it falls on us as owners to teach them boundaries and guidelines for behavior. But if you're not knowledgeable in dog behavior or would rather leave it to the professionals, who do you turn to? In this video, I'll cover all the essentials to look for when considering a dog trainer, no matter the type of trainer you choose. Let's dig in. Unfortunately, dog trainer is not a protected title. Any random person can label themselves a dog trainer and go into business with no knowledge, experience, or certifications required. These people are potentially doing more harm than good or even exercising flat-out abusive techniques. It's important to look for any certifications they may have proving they've studied dog body language, dog behavior, science-based methodologies, and other crucial factors to interpreting and changing dog behavior. If you're looking at signing up for group classes or private sessions with a pet store trainer, ask them what certifications they carry outside of accreditation from their company. Accreditation can mean whatever the company dictates. It may just be watching some videos, taking virtual quizzes, and then shadowing another trainer. This position also does not carry prerequisites like certifications, experience, or knowledge. This is an entry-level position in most corporate spaces. Look for evidence they're continuing to learn and expand their knowledge. As we further our understanding of dog behavior, there are going to be changes to the field. Keeping up with the latest techniques, methods, safety measures, and other factors show a dedicated, educated, and well-rounded professional. There are a variety of situations that may occur in training that can possibly lead to injuries, especially in group settings or a board and train facility. There can also be circumstances where your dog needs to be handled or restrained by the trainer or helper for safety or demonstration purposes. The foremost concern should be safety in handling, restraint, and overall measures. Having safety certification shows a commitment to safely getting the job done with your dog's well-being as a top priority. In addition to safety certifications, there should be processes in place to ensure the safety and well-being of your dog in class, while training, or under the care of a board and train facility. Disinfecting and cleaning of training areas, as well as anywhere else the dogs may be in the facility, are important factors for the overall health of any dog that steps into the classroom or building. This is a multifaceted factor that, when present, shows care and consideration for the mental and emotional well-being of the dogs involved and desire to reduce stress. When overly stressed, dogs cannot successfully retain information or learn. Reducing your dog's stress means they're retaining more from the training and you're getting better results for your money. A good trainer not only educates themselves, they're going to take the time to educate you as the owner as well. Providing you with the knowledge and know-how to follow up at home gives you the power to refine your dog's skills. Even if the dogs do pick up the behavior quickly, they still need to practice in different environments, helping them solidify the command no matter where they are. This is called proofing the behavior. Even with the utmost care, attention to detail, and safety measures in place, any number of things can happen, including natural disasters. The trainer or facility should have plans in place in case of an emergency. If considering a board and train facility, you'll want to find out two additional things. Firstly, does the facility have someone stay overnight or someone on call watching security cameras? If an emergency situation occurs, someone should be able to act fast to help the dogs if needed. And secondly, what is the dog to staff ratio? If only a few staff members have to collect and manage multiple dogs during an evacuation, it could result in serious injury or loss of life. Some trainers use outdated dominance training, which has long been disproven. Some trainers rely solely on tools to get desired behavior because they lack the skill to get the results otherwise. Some may use downright abusive or inhumane methodologies. You'll want to choose a trainer that uses methods and techniques rooted in behavioral science and humane treatment. It's important to find a trainer with ethics and techniques that align with your views. Research each trainer and their methods to find the best fit. I'm listing this last for a reason. While the previous considerations are of higher priority, experience is still significant. To add nuance, experience alone doesn't guarantee quality, compassion, or professionalism. Having a wide variety of experience over time exposes a trainer to different situations in which to exercise their skills. This gives them knowledge to pull from to tailor future situations to the best advantage of the dog and owner. These 10 collective qualities are all signs of a knowledgeable and compassionate dog trainer who prioritizes your dog's safety, health, and learning. When searching for a trainer or training facility, keep these key factors in mind to ensure you and your dog get the best teacher possible. Be sure to check reviews across a wide variety of sources to get a more broad sense of the training program. Keep in mind some negative reviews may come from owners who didn't follow their trainer's instructions or failed to maintain training between lessons, so take those reviews with a grain of salt. Not sure where to start looking? I've got links in the description below to help you find qualified professionals in your area. Before you go looking, check out my video, What Kind of Trainer, to decide the best fit for your situation, and the video, Dog Trainer Red Flags, so you can be informed on what to avoid. Until next time, stay curious and keep digging.